Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we've got two batches of cocaine, one which is 12.9% with a standard deviation of 0.93, and another batch of cocaine, which is 13.2% with a standard deviation of 0.19. And the question is, are these from a common source at a 95% level of confidence? That is, are these numbers contained within each other's 95% confidence level? So 95% confidence corresponds to whatever the number is plus or minus 1.96 times the standard deviation. Okay. So basically, we could just take any of these percentages, add and subtract 1.96 times that standard deviation from either side, and see if the means of if each other's means lie within that range. So this might make more sense graphically. Let's try this. Let's do I don't know, 12.5 over here and 13.5 over here. Let's see. So that's a range of 1. All right, so this should be 13. And then okay, so this is 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.4, 12.6, 12.7, 12.8, and 12.9. So let's plot the first one that we've got. We've got 12.9. And then we know we need to look plus or minus 1.96 times 0.93. So 1.96 times 0.93, I get 1.8228. So let's just do 1.8. Okay, and for the other one, we've got 13.2 plus or minus, let's do 0.19 times 1.96. I get 0.37. Okay. So 13. So first we can start from 12.9 and we add 1.8 to it. So that's going to be way out here. That's going to be like 14 point something. Okay. And then we subtract 1.8 from it and it's going to be way over there. So already we can see that the mean 13.2 is contained within the bounds of this of the 12.9 samples 1.96 standard deviations, right? The 95% confidence level. What about is the 12.9 mean contained within this confidence interval? So the confidence interval is negative 0.37 on either side. So 1, 2, 3.7, right? And then plus 3.712, 3.7. So something like that. Okay. So hopefully you can see that this mean is contained within this confidence interval and that the blue mean is contained within the red 95% confidence level. Confidence interval. Okay. And if you wanted to say that in words and numbers, you would say the 95% confidence interval for 12.9 is basically 11.1 to 14.7. And the confidence interval for the 13.2 sample is from 12.83 to 13.57, I think. And that each of these means lies within the other one's confidence, 95% confidence interval.